Hello students, today we are going to see Unit 2nd Reading C. VVS Lakshman, very special. For your kind information, in your text, in your question paper, you were asked what kind of text it is. What kind of text VVS Lakshman is? Your answer will be interview. This is an exclusive interview given by VVS Lakshman towards his retirement in Hyderabad. Let us see the beginning of it. VVS Lakshman, very special. The first quotation, treat success and failure on the same wavelength. What is said here is a famous quotation, maxim, treat success and failure at or on the same wavelength. On the same wavelength. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It means he is advising you. If you got success in your life, don't be overexcited. Don't be overconfident. Don't be in the seventh cloud. Don't be in the high air. Don't be very or extremely happy. Right? And if you got failure, that time also you should not be discouraged, disheartened. Okay. If you got failure, that time also you have to be courageous and don't be depressed. Don't be discouraged. But instead of feeling depressed or discouraged, you have to turn back and say what are the reasons of failure and get rectified it. Get the mistakes rectified. Just you have learned in reading B. A true player learns from the mistake. మీరు కూడా అలాగే చేయాలి, because everyone is a learner since birth till death. నేర్చుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. That's why you have to learn from every mistake. Learn something from every mistake. Find out the reasons of failure. తప్పులు ఎక్కడ జరిగినాయి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. రెక్టిఫై దీస్ మిస్టేక్స్. డెఫినెట్లీ సక్సెస్ మీ వైపు ఉంటుంది. He wants to say the same message to you. He wants to convey the same message to you. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. If you are winner, don't be overexcited. If you are defeated, if you are a failure, don't be depressed. But you have to balance success and failure. Then only you can make your own position in the life. Success and failure are parts of somebody's life. Students, it is a fact, definitely. Success and failure are the two parts in everyone's life, anybody's life. As this here, coin has two sides, head and tail. You cannot separate. Head and tail, two sides you cannot separate from the coin. Like that, failure and success are the two sides of a coin or of our life, anybody's life. That's why if you are successful, don't be overjoyed or excited, and if you are a failure, don't be depressed. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. Key to success or key to treat success and failure on same wavelength, there is a self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. Let the situation be very tough, no problem, it doesn't matter. Okay, at that time only you have to be self-belief. Yes, I can do it. ఒక్కసారి ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాను, ఏమవుతుంది? డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ గెట్ సక్సెస్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం. In the next attempt I will get success. Means you should believe in you. సొంత మీద నమ్మకం ఉండాలి. You believe in yourself. Self-belief is important as well as performing consistently in tough situations. You should not stop your efforts. You should not start your practices. You should not halt anywhere though there is a failure. But you have to perform consistently in tough conditions also. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramanyam. VVS Lakshman said VV Subramanyam. Now here, who is the celebrity? Yes, VVS Lakshman is a celebrity. Or VVS Lakshman gave an interview. Towards his retirement. Towards his retirement. From which field? VVS Lakshman is a player from which field? Very good, cricket. Retirement from cricket. Where did he give the interview? In Hyderabad. Okay, in Hyderabad. And who is taking interview? Who is conducting interview? VV Subramanyam. VV Subramanyam. He is a news reporter. Subramanyam is a news reporter. He is conducting an interview. Taking an interview of VVS Lakshman. Right. One of the finest players in contemporary cricket has called it a day. Call it a day. Here is a phrase. Called it a day. Called it a day means declared, announced, or declared. Declared or announced. What did he announce? For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow of 16 long years in Test cricket, Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Okay, what is his full name? Venkatapurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman is a VVS full form. And what did he say here? One of the finest players in contemporary cricket has called it a day for someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance. Brilliance means his performance in cricket. performance in ground, and see, brilliant performance in the ground. He delighted, means made happy many cricket lovers with the willow for 16 long years. A willow, what is the meaning of a willow? Willow means bat, cricket bat, willow. Willow means cricket bat. Cricket bat, plank, wooden plank used to prepare or manufacture the bat for cricket. It's willow. And do you know another meaning of willow? Willow means not so thick. Okay, let us see. And here Vangipurappu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. Okay, means 2 Test series in New Zealand were going to be held in future, but he declared his retirement in 2012 in Hyderabad before the New Zealand matches. Then the 37-year-old star batsman who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sportstar. V.V. Subramaniam is news reporter from Sportstar. Okay, and see, you know very well. Now just visualize yourself. Visualize yourself. One side there is a Sportstar sitting in the studio in the chair to conduct an interview. Right. One side the Sportstar in office, interview is going to be conducted or is in progress, and the person sat there to conduct an interview, news reporter sat there to conduct an interview. Another side there is a VVS Lakshman, okay, sitting equally. Right, to face an interview. Just visualize. Yes, I don't know how to draw, just to entertain you, no more than that, right? And they are sitting face to face in the studio, and a Sportstar is asking question to VVS Lakshman, and VVS Lakshman is giving answer to his questions. Students, as I told you, it is an interview. This will help you how to conduct an interview, right? Sportstar, when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? First question. When you look back, means when you think about your past, look back means think about past, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? VVS Lakshman, yes, it had been wonderful. It was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki. Who is Zaki? Syed Moinuddin Zaki, another cricket player from the under 16 level itself. Yes. Means actually when they joined cricket, who VVS Lakshman and Zaki, they were playing under 16 years of age. in cricket team. But Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted him and Zaki from the under 16 level itself, and they made us play in the under 19 grade the same year. 3 years jump, right? Promoted, and the 2 members were permitted by the Hyderabad Cricket Association to play under the 19 grade the same year. It was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. చూడండి ఒకసారి స్టూడెంట్స్, if when you join the school in first exam you got good marks, good rank, that boosts you, that encourages you, okay? And to see your performance, if the headmaster decided to promote for the next higher class, there will be no bonds to your happiness. Chala happy aitam, avuna kada? The same happened with him. The same year when he was selected for the under 16 years team, the same year Cricket Association of Hyderabad promoted for the 19 years next level, and he said it was encouraging to him. Fortunately by 18 I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy, and at the age of his 18. Okay, he was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. He was playing for Ranji Trophy. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in long 16 years of international cricket. And see, he is telling you freely. What he said? I feel that all the hard work, students be careful, there is no substitute for hard work. There is no substitute for hard work. Hard work compulsory cheyalsinde, because there is no hard work, there is no success. Keep this principle or formula in your mind. And he said, I feel that all the hard work and commitment, you see, hard work and commitment kuda undali, patudala, I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. And it has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. And he is feeling happy, satisfied with his performance because he worked very hard and with complete commitment. Right? SS means sports star. Then who has been the biggest influence on you? You have to ask questions in this way without a break. Without break, you have to ask questions in interview, right? Then who has been the biggest influence on you? My parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama, his parents, father and mother. No doubt about that. Especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family. Clear ga cheptunna? Yes, actually my father was a doctor, my mother was a doctor, that's why. And here game or playing sports was not the integral part of our family. I am from the doctor's family, right? But the guiding philosophy which they taught us was handling success and failure with the equal ease. And see, he said, but the guiding philosophy which they taught us was handling success and failure with the equal ease. Though they were from the doctor's faculty, doctor's field, my parents, they taught me, they guided me to handle the success and failure at equal wavelength. Means treat success and failure on the same wavelength. They taught me, that encouraged me. Then what did the sport teach you? What did the sport teach you? Character. V.S. Lem said, sport taught me character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength, it also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of my cricket. Because of cricket. I see here. Actually, cricket taught me character. Cricket taught me to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. Cricket naku What did it teach? It taught me to balance the emotion at successful situation and emotion at failure at equal wavelength. It asked me to balanced me, right? Then what is the most difficult phase of your career? What was the most difficult phase of your career? You see, in every one's life there is some molding point, some difficult points are there. Then he is asking, what was the most difficult phase of your career? V.S. Lakshman said, it was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. The most difficult situation or phase in my life was when the time came to choose whether to go for cricket or go for academy, sport or academy. My parents asked me, gave me option to choose whether the games or sports or the academy, and it was very tough for me, he said. It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. Prefer cricket to academics. Okay. Means he gave more preference to cricket than academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctor. Actually, నేను చదవాలా లేకపోతే గేమ్ ఆడాలా, ఇట్ వాజ్ అ టఫ్ టైమ్ టు చూస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద టూ, బికాస్ I love the cricket game sports, but I was from the doctor's family. Kabatti em cheyali? Okay, that was the toughest situation for me. He said I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Students, be careful. Always parents want that the child to follow the same field in which they are in, right? If your father is a doctor, father thinks that son should prefer the same doctorship. If he is an engineer, father wants or aspires the child to be in the same field. And here, but doctor, father of V.S. Lakshman gave him complete freedom. You can choose any field that you like. Okay, and see. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. And here, the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial, along with some of the coaches then. And see, and when there was a time to choose one of the two, my father gave me complete freedom to choose. And while choosing the field, there was my uncle Baba Mohan and other coaches, those who guided me. They played a crucially important role in taking this decision. Sports start. Then do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have you think changed a lot in this regard? Yes. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? Means when you were young at that time, how easily you reached the situation, how with great difficulty you reached the situation. Is the situation changed now towards the young talented now people? Can they become as big as you are easily, like you have become that time? Can they become as big as you are in this situation also, or whether the things have changed? Viewers, frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. Yes, now media is very famous now everywhere. Most powerful is the media nowadays, right? If you did something at this moment, very next moment become the world famous in no time, because media is powerful. And today's situation is totally changed. It is not like the situation when I was a young one. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such, which pushes you into national ranking, and if you perform you are bound to get recognized. Definitely IPL is the best stage for recognition. And see, an IPL is a such which pushes you into the international level or national level, and you get reckoning at national level, and if you perform you are bound to get recognized. Definitely ఒక్కసారి if you got name and fame at national level, automatically get your name and fame at international level. It is very easy in this period, he is saying. SS. Then from where did you draw the strength to emerge a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? Yes, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? You see, in everyone's life you are trying to do something, and some odd situations try to dwarf, means control your achievement or success. ఇట్లాంటి సమయంలో in that situation from where did you draw the strength? ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్లో మీకు సమయంలో ఆ ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? హూ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ యూ? హూ ఎన్కరేజ్డ్ యూ? My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. Means whenever I was facing problems in this regard, my parents, my family members, my friends, my relatives and my well-wishers, they inspired me a lot, and from their inspiration I got encouragement and I got a strength to emerge as a giant every time. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Be careful, sometimes there are a few parents, if suppose a child did well at some place, okay, and at another place he could not do at the time, at first they will feel, yes, I feel proud to be a father of my son అని చెప్తారు. And when they see the child could not perform well, he didn't perform well, they change their way of behavior toward the son in no time. But Vivek Lakshman said his parents and relatives, friends and well-wishers were not like that one. Okay, whenever he performed well or when he could not perform well, they were treating him equal wavelength and inspiring him equally. Okay, then what were your biggest moments as a cricketer? Next question, what are your biggest moments as a cricketer? Vivek Lakshman. Yes, there are many, but some stand out. Stand out means easily be noticed. Stand out. Stand out means easily noticeable. Easily noticeable. Okay, stand out, that is called. Yes, there are many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number 1 team, being a member of the Indian team which was the world number 1 in the test cricket was one of them. Yes, what he said actually, see here, biggest moment. The biggest moment in the cricket was there, he said, though I never played the World Cup, he didn't play World Cup, that saw India as number 1 in team. Means whenever India played the World Cup and the world saw Indian team as the number 1, and that I didn't play, even though being a member of the Indian team which was the number 1 in the test cricket was one of them. Yes, I was the one of the members of the cricket team when cricket team won the World Cup, though I didn't play in it. That was one of the best moment or biggest moment in my life in the career. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2001 was another one. Yes, we Indians made 281 against Aussies, Australian in Kolkata 2001 was another biggest moment. That test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, that test series was very special for all the players, for it was also the best and the most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. Clearly, that was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. Right. And students, let us take a halt here and continue the rest of the interview part in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.